Hello everyone, this is Carrie for Redesign with Prima, and welcome to part 2 of our affordable gift series. We are featuring transfers on different substrates so that you can get cool ideas for gift giving, but also see what they will work on and how to use them. And I've included a lot of tips and tricks in this video as well. If you missed part 1, go back to our videos, our playlist, and you'll see part 1. Here I'm starting with our mini transfer set called Juliet. Oh, it's so pretty. It has purples with like little hints of gold and really stylish patterns and flowers, even one with birds and branches. I am applying my transfer to this old bottle, this old sherry bottle. And I love it because it's got a flat surface. It's easy to put a transfer onto. And I'm going to turn this into a luminary. The flowers look just beautiful. And now I'm going to add my glass bead gel. It gives it a frosted textured look. And when the lights are on inside of it, it glows so beautifully. And I am just simply taking my brush and dabbing it into that glass bead gel and going over the whole surface with a nice even coat. I'm going to do the same on this glass votive. I did this project also in part 1, but I just wanted to show you what this one would look like as well. It's really pretty. When I add transfers like this to round surfaces, I like to start at one end and move my way back to the opposite end. Now here you'll see I'm starting to lift it up and the transfer hasn't quite transferred. Just put the sheet back down and rub again and it should go on just beautifully. This is why I don't take the top sheets off very fast because you never know if one part of it is not completely adhered. Also adding my glass bead gel to this cute little jar. This protects the transfer. If you put the candle inside, it won't come off. Now, I am at the very end of this glass bead gel and it's all sunk to the bottom. And I just need to revive it and get a little bit more out of it. So I'm adding my 3D gloss gel from the Finnabair collection. And I'm just reviving all of those concentrated clumps of beads and reviving it, making them a little bit more gel, making it go a little further. Next, I took these wood coasters. They're so pretty. You can find these at the craft store, dollar store. And I'm going to add this transfer to the sides. So these are going to be just like really kind of cute rustic coasters. Now, I like to cut my transfer in half. This makes it go twice as far. And just add it there to the sides. Now, I'm not too concerned about anything hanging off. I will fix that in just a minute. And here I have a little piece hanging off, which is actually still a nice piece. I'm going to save that. I put it back on the backing sheet that I took it off of to save it because I'm going to add it to this one after I finish burnishing it on. So there we have it. Both of them are on there. I'm just rubbing them on. And also with these coasters too, with the wood, I like to spray seal them first just to make sure that they're kind of like the surface is protected and it doesn't discolor the transfer. That's a little bit hanging off here. I just use my finger just to pull that off gently. And then you'll see that I take that other little piece that I cut off and I'm just going to add it to my little bouquet. So nothing goes to waste. And it added to it really nicely. Another thing is too with the edges, you can just kind of take a light sandpaper and just kind of lightly go over the edges just to make a cleaner edge if you prefer. And that's literally all the waste I had, not very much. Now to jazz these up a little bit, I am taking some of our Finnabair Art Alchemy wax. This is called Aged Brass. We have many metallics you can choose from. And I'm just dabbing it on those edges with my finger. I'm not covering, just want to add a little shimmer. And now I am sealing them with clear wax. Clear wax works perfectly fine on all of our transfers, so it is an option for sealing them, or you can use a water-based sealer. Next is our Motif Geometrique set. It's gold with modern styled patterns. And I'm going to give this bottle just a little touch of gold. And if you find that you use a continuous pattern like this and there's little wrinkles, just use your thumb or finger and just press them down just to the surface. Don't push it, just press down and they literally disappear just like that. So once it's on there, oh, it's so cute. So now here's my gift set with a luminary bottle, a candle, coasters, and a decorated bottle. I just threw in a wood board there just for extras. It's another idea. And I think this would make a beautiful set for your kitchen or bedroom, for anyone on your list that you want to make something for. These were so easy, and the transfers really gave them a beautiful, unique look. Please check out our entire channel for more DIY inspiration. Subscribe, follow, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thank you.